Hello everyone, myself Arshit Naveen. This is the part 2 of the video. In this video, we will try to display this image on the screen, and you need to notice that there are three shapes: circle, triangle and square, and we have to display only the outline of these shapes. In order to do that, we only have to change the code in the HW image generator. The steps are similar to the part 1 of this video. Over here we need to make sure we program the shapes the way we require. You might have noticed that I have programmed this in the .v, but our top level design is in VHDL. That's because the quarters prime will allow us to program both in Verilog and VHDL. It's called like a mixed language design. So in this you can able to see that over here, since we need to display three shapes, first I have defined the triangle parameters. This is x, y coordinates, and if you come down over here, you can see that I have defined the edges of the triangle, and in this part of the code it's about the thickness of the triangle, basically the outline of the triangle. And this is the circle parameters. Over here you can see that to increase the size, basically, which means to increase the radius of the circle, and to adjust the location of the shape, this is x and y coordinates, and this is the square parameters, and this it also the same. To increase the size we have to change these numbers, and this is the x and y coordinate of the square where we need to place the square. And if you might have noticed that both y coordinates of the square and circle are the same, but only the x is differed because we are placing circle in the left hand side, whereas the square in the right hand side, and triangle at the center. So if you come down over here, you can see that since we are only need to display the outline of the shape, over here I have defined the thickness of the circle, and this is the since we need to display it in the red, this is the color what we have defined. This is similar to the circle, the thickness, and for the it is for the square, and it is for the triangle, and this is the background of it. Now let's compile this and program, and let's see if we are able to successfully program it or not. So it has successfully compiled. Now let's program this by adding the SOS file. And let's click start. We need to press this configure, then let's click start. See, we are able to successfully program this design. See, the both images matches. See FPGA connection. Thank you.